This video provides a broad overview of asset and configuration management in ServiceNow Express. Asset and configuration management in the Express platform lets you manage company property and IT infrastructure or services. Managing company property, such as computer equipment and software, helps the organization with procurement and finances and helps users obtain what they must have to do their job. Managing IT infrastructure or services, such as database or email servers, helps you identify other entities that are affected when there is an issue. Here are some goals of asset and configuration management. Quickly identify the impact of incidents, problems, and changes. Reduce the cost of purchasing and managing items. Manage the life cycle of an item, from planning or purchasing to disposal. Achieve compliance with relevant standards and regulations, and finally, improve IT service within the organization. The Express platform lets your organization manage its assets and configuration items in the Configuration Management Database, or CMDB. Items can be related to each other, such as associating servers or computers with software. You can also define business services, such as enterprise software that operates on a server asset, and specify dependencies. Configuration items can be created or maintained within the platform via their associated modules. Your Express instance comes with several asset and configuration item categories. To access them, navigate to Asset and Configuration. Business services reside in the Business Services module. Hardware configuration items are broken down further by the type of device, and there's a module specifically for software. The All option displays all configuration items in the system. Incidents, problems, and changes can be tied to configuration items. Let's look at an example. Our user has just been assigned to an incident. We can see that the incident has an associated email server configuration item, which we'll open to get more information. In the Related Items section of this configuration item, we can see a list of all the dependencies between it and other items. However, we can't really see the full impact of the incident from this view. Clicking the Dependency View icon in the Related Items bar opens the dependency map, which displays all of the dependencies so that we can assess the full impact of the incident, which is flagged here. If there were problems or changes associated to any other CI on the map, they would also be displayed here. The Asset Overview page displays charts that break down your configuration items by type and manufacturer. You can also see how many of your computers are on each OS, as well as the device manufacturers. The Overview page can be customized via the Add Content and Change Layout options. You may choose to automate asset and configuration management within your instance by purchasing and activating Discovery. After initial setup in your environment, Discovery finds computers, software, and other devices connected to your network, explores the device's configuration, provisioning, and current status, and updates the CMDB accordingly. Another automation option that may be better suited to your network is the Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager, or SCCM, integration. SCCM imports data about Windows computers and software packages. SCCM integration provides a one-direction import of SCCM data into the Express CMDB. SCCM integration is provided in the base system free of charge. For more information, please consult our product documentation, videos, or blogs, or ask a question in the ServiceNow Express forums.